I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing your connection method, Bluetooth or wired USB-C. Enable Bluetooth on your PC and put Joy-Con in pairing mode by holding sync or connect a Pro controller with its USB-C cable. Windows will detect hardware. Once done, open Steam settings or download Better Joy for native Nintendo inputs and gyro mapping. This gives proper button recognition and rumble. Make sure drivers update automatically, because outdated Bluetooth stacks cause input lag and dropped connections, so update before moving on. You now pair and verify each controller. For Joy-Con, press sync until lights flash, pair one at a time in Windows Bluetooth, then combine in Steam if needed. Pro controller shows up like an X input device. Once paired, open Steam Big Picture or Better Joy to map buttons, enable gyro and configure rumble intensity, because Nintendo mapping differs from PC defaults. Then calibrate sticks and set dead zones in Windows game controllers or Steam calibration. This reduces drift and ensures precise aiming or movement. You finish by testing in a controller tester app or a game to confirm buttons, triggers, sticks, and gyro respond correctly. Execute a quick latency check with wired versus Bluetooth. If a button conflicts, switch between HID and X input modes in Better Joy or remap in Steam. If problems persist, restart the Bluetooth service, repair the controller, update Bluetooth and controller drivers, or use a wired USB-C connection that usually resolves drops and lag. Remember, consistent power and updated firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.